girl. Bad hot iron.
Did you just notice that? That guy on that motorcycle turned the bike off when he got to the red light, walked in the crosswalk, and then just turned it back on. When he got around the crosswalk, he just didn't want to.
Make us laugh. Bad boy.
That's the cut right there.
You just keep pushing across the cross. Cop chase? Bicycles?
Yeah. Hey! Hey!
Tire pressure.